everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Stephanie from Magnesium Media. I'm here at Barrett-Jackson. I'm here with Chris, and we're looking at the WanderBox. This, I believe, is going to be my apocalyptic vehicle. Okay, can we see this? Look at this. This is insane. Chris, what can you tell us about it?
So this is the WanderBox adventure vehicle. As you said, it's apocalyptic, or you can just take it out for the weekend as well. This one is 29 feet. We can build them up to 44 feet. This is on the F600 platform for the two-door model. If you want to do a crew cab, we'll do the Chevy 6500. So
okay.
we're agnostic to the platform.
This is 650, right?
This is a 600. We can build on a 650 or a 750 when you get up to the 40-foot length ones. So this one comes in the XLT trim, and we've got the Chevy 6500 would be a different trim, of course. So. This one has a ton of solar, ton of battery. This one has about 24 kilowatts of batteries. We can go up to 60 kilowatts of batteries. On the roof, we've got 2,000 watts of solar. We can go up to 3,200 watts of solar on the roof.
Wow.
The water
it really
storage,
is apocalyptic.
yeah, the water storage, we have 150 gallons of fresh 75 gray and a 50-gallon black tank in this. We can go up to 210 gallons depending on the length of the truck of fresh water. So they say water is what brings you back, and so, you know, our motto is go out farther, stay out longer.
The best part about these is that you go off-roading. Like a normal RV, you can't go off-roading.
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah, this is a four-wheel drive rig. It's got the super singles on it. So we basically, yeah, you can go off-road, take it out to Moab, go down the washboard roads, not be concerned about getting stuck.
Yeah, you don't have to worry about getting stuck in the mud.
You stay out for a couple of weeks at a time, exactly.
Awesome.
Pretty sure you don't ever have to worry about someone trying to break in either.
That's right.
We need to take a peek inside.
All right, let's do that. Let's make sure. All right, so let's go inside and check it out.
Okay. Wow.
So this is our interior of the WanderBox. It's super configurable. So this is for a couple that work out of this. So they have a desk that actually pops up here in the front, and then you can also work in the back there. It's got a full gourmet kitchen, dishwasher down here, convection and microwave up here, induction cooktop. This is all configurable, so if you want 2 instead of 3, if you want a washer and dryer for your clothes, you can put that in here. It's a full spa-like bath, as we say, so it's a full dry bath. Have 5 different toilet choices to choose from.
So this here pops up as a desk?
This will come up as a desk, exactly.
Oh, up here?
Yeah, so
okay.
it kind of folds up, and there's a monitor there. And then this is a queen-size bed. We can go east-west with it if you like crawling over people, or in this configuration, it's pretty easy to get inside and out. So that's right. Yeah, you're not really banging your head so much when you get up out of the bed. I'm 6'3", so this is a 7-foot ceiling.
That's not bad.
A perk, okay, because a lot of the RVs that you see, that you drive, you can't connect right into it. Here you can.
Right.
So for people like me that have to pee every like 10 miles,
that's right.
This is perfect.
Yeah, we say
just crawl right in.
It's also for bad weather or bad neighborhoods, as we say.
Well, and also look at the shower. That's a decent size shower.
Yeah, it really is. I love this. I think we need one.
And what is the price of these things?
Right. So this one configured is about $400,000. We start at $300,000, and we go from there. That's right.
Because so I've seen other ones that are a lot more money.
That's right.
You know, and this is something that's actually affordable, and you get financing, long-term financing.
You can do financing, right? So we have a finance guy we work with, and we can get financing for you. But yeah, it's basically, you know, we sign the contract, do a 25% deposit, and we sit down with the customers and we build it out to how many people they want, how many kids they have, dogs, sports gear, you know.
And how long does it take to build one?
It's about 4 to 8 months, depending on the size. So the complexity, if it gets more complex, it takes about 8 months to build.
And where can people find you?
So WanderBox.com, WANDERBOX, and we're based in Meade, Colorado. And we build them right there. So built in Colorado.
Awesome. All right. Well, you know, it would be awesome to take it out in the Vegas desert.
Right.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Check this out. Okay, here's the TV area too.
Yeah, this table opens
so
up.
Sit back and relax.
This pops up.
Yeah, the TV swirls.
And there's cabinets everywhere.
That's right. And we can configure this so that this isn't configured for a bed, but we can configure it so the dining table drops down and it'll be a queen-size bed here. You know, it's very customizable.
So 4 people can sleep with it.
Easily, yeah. Or we could do bunk beds for kids. We could do that as well.
I mean, this is pretty roomy.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. This is great.
Yeah, awesome. Nice tire is that?
So this is a 41-inch. We're actually putting either 41 or 43-inch Continentals. This is the last of the Michelins, but this is on a winch. So if you have a flat tire, this will winch down, so you have to worry about getting this 200-pound tire. There's a lot of storage, so there's, you know, to stow your gear in here. We can put a bike rack on here or a motorcycle rack if you have that.
Hold on, if I'm driving by myself, I can get this down and do it?
You can do it, yeah. It winches down automatically. So
awesome.
Whether you can roll it around and get the other one off of that, that's a different story. But if we continue to walk around here, we see there's more storage, access to all of the different subsystems. So this is an air compressor. So if you want to, you know, reduce the air in the tires to go in sand, it's a water pump. These are storage boxes. I'll show you one down here. So if you...
One thing this beast is not lacking is storage.
And these slide out, so you're not reaching way down in there, right? So it's all right here. And we can configure these large or small. Like if you have golf clubs you want to put in here, we could do that, right? And then access to all the batteries here. So if you need to do any sort of maintenance on the batteries, you've got the access to that. This has shore power, so when you're in civilization, you can plug in. It doesn't have a generator, but what happens is if the batteries get down below 40%, the truck will crank up automatically, and it's got a second alternator that charges the batteries.
Okay.
But with all the solar, that's probably, you know, not going to happen that often unless you're in a cloudy day.
Gotcha.
So,
and what kind of gas mileage?
this gets about 8 to 10 miles per gallon, and it's diesel. It's a 6.7 liter turbo diesel, 330 horsepower, 800 pounds of torque.
Wow. It is truly a beast. I mean, this thing is so impressive.
I would rather have this than an
RV. Absolutely.
Yep, absolutely.
Totally.
This, because you know what? This you can take anywhere. You know, most of the time you're going to go camping or whatever, you get stuck. You can't do that.
This is like you're protected all around, no matter what happens.
Exactly.
This is amazing.
Exactly.
Well, I definitely see one of these in our future.
Yeah, the outside is a engineered fiberglass shell. We buy it in 30-foot lengths, and we can cut the windows wherever you want, so you're not stuck into one configuration.
Oh,
so if you want bigger windows or smaller windows, we can do that. And then it's a Raptor shell on it, like a truck bed liner. Inside, there's a rigid foam insulation layer, so it's about an R15 to R25, so it's cool in the summer and warm in the winter.
Gotcha. Perfect.
All right, that's cool. Very good.
Thank you, Chris.
You're welcome.
WanderBox, this is absolutely an amazing vehicle. If you're worried about the apocalypse coming, I would definitely look into one of these because you'll definitely be protected. I know I want one. How about you?
Absolutely.